You know what's better than simple mac and cheese? Masala mac and cheese. It's time to take your favorite comfort food to a whole new level. It's loaded with so many spices and fresh herbs. It's tangy, cheesy and just so good. Step 1. Let's get our macaroni pasta cooking. Boil it up in some salty water until it's perfectly al dente. While that's going on, we prepare the other ingredients. In a wok, heat some butter and saute onions and garlic till it's translucent. Then add the tomato puree and cook well until all the water is absorbed. Don't forget to add a kick of spice with some fresh green chilies. Pour in a cup of milk and let those flavors mingle. Then add all the spices: salt, pepper, oregano, red chili flakes and 1 sachet of Maggi Masala and Magic. Mix everything really well, then add cheese as much as you want. In goes al dente macaroni, ready to soak up all that saucy, cheesy goodness. Adding more cheese because why not? And to finish it off, a sprinkle of vibrant fresh coriander for that perfect pop of color and flavor. This masala mac and cheese will steal your heart and it is so tasty. So go ahead, give it a try and thank me later in comments. Time for dessert. Ice cream feels so good in this hot Mumbai summer. What is your favorite ice cream flavor?